Every year, over 300,000 tons of highway guardrails leave our factory and end up protecting roads across 4 continents. We are a dedicated highway guardrail manufacturer with 15 years of production experience. Our products fully comply with international standards, OSHA M180 and N1317, making them accepted by government tenders and EPC projects worldwide. Backed by advanced equipment and an annual capacity exceeding 300,000 tons, we can handle both large infrastructure contracts and flexible repeat orders. Our guardrails have been deployed in major road and highway projects across Africa, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and South America. We work directly with EPC contractors, road construction companies, and government procurement agencies, building long-term supply partnerships, not just one-off transactions. For distributors and trading companies, we offer full OEM and ODM services. You bring the specs, we handle fabrication, certification documentation, and export packaging. Whether you're sourcing for a single project or building a long-term supply chain, we're the manufacturing partner you can count on. Contact us today on Alibaba, and let's build something that lasts.